Welcome students to your geography class. Today our topic is water resources, chapter number 7. Water resources, in this main point is your surface water, groundwater, and importance and need of irrigation. These are the very important questions come in exam. Then need for the conservation of water. Our As you know, India is a land of rich natural resources, but water is one of the most important resource. India is an agricultural country. We need water for agriculture as well as industries. Demand for water is increasing rapidly with the increase in the population, whereas the supply of water remains the same. The water is same, but our population is growing, so we need to conserve water. Our next point is the surface water. There are two types of water resources: surface water and groundwater. Surface water means the water which is available on the surface in the form of lakes, ponds, rainfall, rivers, all this. So the rainfall is the main source of fresh water in India. From the precipitation alone, India receives 4,000 billion cubic meter of water, and most of the part then goes under the ground, which is afterwards known as groundwater. Then our next point is groundwater. Groundwater, the part of rainwater that seeps through the cracks and into the ground, is known as groundwater. The groundwater represents one of the most important water resources in India. The distribution of the groundwater is not equal everywhere. It depends on the topography of the area. In the rocky lands, we cannot dig it, so it is very difficult to get groundwater in the rocky areas. Even in the mountain areas, the groundwater is mostly found in the northern part of India. Coastal regions are very rich in the groundwater. Then next point comes your importance of irrigation. When there is enough rainfall, we have a season of rainfall, then why do we need irrigation? What is the importance? India is essential as agriculture country. More of the than half of the total areas come under arable land, means fertile land. Most of the country we it depends on the agriculture, so we need irrigation system. Thus, water is the only means through which full potential of the agriculture sector can be realized. Now, next question comes in this is your need. Why there is a need? What is the importance due to for the agriculture? But why do we need this irrigation system? Because of uneven and uncertain distribution of rainfall, the southwest monsoon is responsible for 90% of rainfall in India, often fails to keep its date. Sometimes it comes before or after. Some these crops, they are grown in winter, so they need water. Some crops like rice and all, they need more water, like sugarcane, rice, cotton. They need more water. Hence, for that we need the method of irrigation. So this was our need. The question need for irrigation. It's a very important question, children. Please keep it in mind. Then factors development for the irrigation is our next point. The methods of irrigation, that we will discuss in our next video. So in this video we have learned about the water resources, that is the surface water which is found on the surface like lakes, ponds, rivers. Groundwater which is found under the ground. Then Next was your importance of irrigation and need of irrigation. Need of irrigation. These need of irrigation is very, very important. So students, please read thoroughly. Any question you can ask. Take care. All the best.